Hallo, Matt en Va, is Misha Stevie, ha mi achloika nan Drumming. I have been playing since the age of 12, which is a long time, and I've been playing professionally for over 20 years. I was inspired to pick up pipe band drumming at the age of 12 from a pal of mine who joined the local pipe band, and he just said to me, come down and give it a go. So I went down there and got myself a pair of drumsticks and learned how to hold the sticks, and then you learn your first rudiment, and it all stemmed from there. I got really into it and practiced hard, and yeah, I really enjoyed it. The most famous person that I've ever met is Billy Connolly. I had the pleasure of playing in the band for Billy Connolly's 60th birthday party up in his huge estate up in Strathdon, and we were rubbing shoulders with so many other famous folk that night. It was absolutely fantastic. Yeah, the most embarrassing thing that happened, not really whilst performing, but I was booked to do a jazz gig in Glasgow, and I lived in Edinburgh at the time, and in the car all the way to Glasgow, it's about an hour's drive. I got to the gig and I've got all my drums in the car as usual, and gets all my drums out and just realised no cymbals. Absolute disaster. So no cymbals, and with jazz the main thing is your ride cymbal and your hi-hats, really important to have those, and I didn't have those, so it was really embarrassing and unprofessional. So I had to do the gig with just a bass drum and a snare drum and use brushes for the whole gig. Oh, it was terrible. Lesson learned. The furthest I've travelled would be China. I was really fortunate enough to do a ceilidh in Shanghai, and it was for a St Andrew's Day celebration, and what an experience that was, getting over to Shanghai. Just the whole culture there, it was absolutely fantastic. We got treated really, really well. I reckon if I wasn't doing music full time, I think I would be a chef, because I really like food and I really, really like cooking food. Well, the craziest things I've worn on stage is quite a lot of stuff, because I used to play in a 70s disco covers band, and if you know the dress sense in the 70s, it was really amazing. Big flared trousers, really big collared, flashy shirts, and we had wigs and everything on, so it was absolutely outrageous dress sense back in the 70s, so you should check it out. I reckon the best thing about being a musician is getting the opportunity to hang out and play and share music ideas with your friends, and then if you're fortunate enough you can go on the road, go on tour and gain lots of experience with that, and you're doing that in amongst really, really cool like-minded folk. Okay, so I'm just going to perform a two-part 6/8 march, pipe band style. By the right, quick march. And remember, if you haven't done so already, you can sign up for Fèis Online at feisfashlig.com. I'll be teaching percussion and I'm really looking forward to the lessons. Morning Tang.